Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is such a beautiful day, and as you can see, I am wearing my Janet Jackson t-shirt. So Janet Jackson was in Newark on Tuesday, and I took the advantage to go and see her. 10 out of 10. Homegirl still got it. So with that said, today we are going to make watermelon drink. I bought this big watermelon in ShopRite, $6.99. And we will be making watermelon drink. So if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Bean Sonia Williams. If you are new here, thanks for coming. And those of you already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So my watermelon is all washed, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it. And as you can see, guys, look how nice and red this is. This is a clear indicator that this melon is sweet. All right, so I'm gonna put this piece over here. Now I'm gonna cut into it so that I can take my fruits out. So first I cut in half, and now I'm cutting the other piece in half. So now I'm gonna cut it in small slices like this so I can take it out easily from the skin. And now I'm transferring to my bowl. So these are small chunk size pieces, guys. So I'm gonna continue doing this until I finish with all my pieces. And now we are ready to blend. And now I'll use my strainer to strain it. I don't need all this pulp in it. And to my next batch. So I will be doing this until it's all done. Guys, there's no water needed. As you know, the watermelon is all water. So all you gotta do is place your melon in the blender. So as you can see, guys, all water. So straining is optional. You can go ahead and drink it with the pulp. That's okay. And that's it, guys. All done. So refreshing, guys. This is it. Your melon drink with ice. Melon is one of those fruits that stands alone. Wow, so good, so good, so good.